Hi, my name is Bob, and I am the CEO of a large-sized organization. We are involved in the financial sector of doing mainly investments, insurance, personal and business loans, mortgages, and we also provide home equity loans as well as low credit card loans. We do business in the greater Boston area, and we have been working with the NWSP team now for a few years. They are a great help to our online presence. We hired NWSP to create and maintain our website, but they also handle the Google page ranking against hundreds of keywords. And most of our pages rank on the first page of Google. That's impressive. NWSP provides us with dedicated support as well and have given us premium client status. Now, I personally trust them as my long-term webmasters. I would especially like to mention here 3 of the people I have known at NWSP over the years of communications, as sometimes they like to talk to me for issues that involve some marketing tactics or large modules creation. Neil, Sarah, and Zach. I don't know who does what, but I know as CEO, they are doing great for our website and company. In fact, now most of our business comes from the internet. Thank you, NWSP, for your efforts as a team. We really appreciate your work.